Hello friends, welcome to EC Academy.
In this lecture, let us see the second type of filter, which is order statistic filter in spatial filtering for restoration of image in presence of only noise. The response of order statistic filter is based on ordering or ranking of the pixels. So, this ordering and ranking of the pixel we have seen in our previous videos. So, the order statistic filters response depend upon the ordering or ranking of the pixels. The response of the filter at any point is determined by ranking result. So, response of the filter will depend upon the ranking result. The first type of filter is median filter. The operation is represented as f cap of x comma y is equal to median of g of s comma t. The median filter replaces the value of pixel by the median of gray level in the neighborhood of the pixel. The median filter provides excellent noise reduction with less blurring compared to the linear smoothing filter. The median filter are effective in presence of both bipolar and unipolar impulse noise. The next type of filter is min and max filter. So, this is the representation for max filter and this is the representation for min filter. The max filter is helpful in finding the brightest point in an image and min filter is helpful in finding the darkest point in an image. The next type of filter is midpoint filter. So, this is the representation of midpoint filter. This filter computes the midpoint between maximum and minimum value in the area that is encompassed by the filter. This filter combines order statistic and averaging, and this filter works best for randomly distributed noise like Gaussian noise or uniform noise. The next type of filter is alpha trimmed median filter. Let us say if we remove d by 2 lowest and d by 2 highest gray level values of g of s comma t, then g r of s comma t represents the remaining mn minus d pixels. So, what we are doing in the available gray level values, we are removing the highest d by 2 pixel values and the lowest d by 2 pixel values. So, which means d by 2 plus d by 2 it is d. So, we are removing d from the available pixel values. So, from m minus n we are subtracting d. So, the remaining pixel value will be mn minus d. So, this is the representation of alpha trimmed median filter, where the value of d can range from 0 to mn minus 1. When d is equal to 0 in this equation, the alpha trimmed filter reduces to arithmetic mean filter. If d is equal to mn minus 1 by 2, the filter becomes the median filter. For other values, the alpha trimmed filter is useful in multiple types of noise reduction, such as combination of salt and pepper noise and Gaussian noise. So, it will helpful in removing multiple noise at a time. So, this is about the order statistic filters. I hope you have understood the topic. Thank you.